What's the wildest workaround someone invented to avoid duty or extra shifts? The cigarette trick is how I stayed off details my first year in the army. I never smoked, couldn't stand the smell, but I always kept a fresh pack of Marlboro Reds in my left breast pocket. Not for me. For Staff Sergeant Collins, a nicotine fiend who'd routinely forget his smokes during morning PT. My first month at Fort Hood, I noticed how Collins would get twitchy around 0900, patting his empty pockets while scanning the formation. One morning, I silently offered him my pack. His eyes narrowed, then softened. Good looking out. He mumbled, taking two. That afternoon, when he needed bodies for a weekend police call, his eyes skipped right over me. I tested my theory the next week. When vehicles needed washing, I made sure Collins saw me fidgeting with my cigarette pack. Again, my name vanished from the duty roster. It became a science. Flash the red pack during morning formation. Avoid detail. Let him borrow a smoke before inspections. Dodge weekend CQ. The investment paid off tenfold in free time. My squad mates couldn't figure it out until Martinez caught me exchanging cigarettes for freedom. You manipulative, he whispered. Equal